Hey everyone. So you spent hours making a fire edit, right? Colors looking crazy, transition smooth, everything perfect. Then you export it and it looked like trash, blurry, pixelated, just horrible, right? So yeah, I've been there too. Today I'm showing you the exact export setting I use so your edit look clean every time you upload it. So let's get into it, man. So here exactly what to do. When you're ready to export, go to composition, then add to render queue, click on the output module. Now here's the important part start. Format change it to H264. This is the best for exporting. Then click on the format option. So in the format option, you're seeing two settings. One is encoding and bitrate. So we are gonna first fix up the encoding setting. So first is performance. You're seeing should be hardware encoding. This is the important one. Okay, on the profile, you gotta select high and level should be 6.2. Alright, now the bitrate setting. Okay, in the bitrate setting, we're seeing bitrate encoding and target bitrate. So first one, you gotta select CBR. So in the target bitrate, let's just say 20. This is base setting for YouTube and Instagram. So if you're uploading for TikTok, 18 or 15 must be perfect because they compress a lot, man. So I say 15 must be perfect. So we are done here and just add it to render queue. If this helped you, hit the like button and consider subscribing the channel. Comment if you have any question. I'll try to reply. Alright, catch you in the next one. Keep grinding.